and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. SEC head Gansler accuses crypto exchanges of betting against clients. US Treasury Secretary Yellen wants stablecoin regulation by end of year. Bitcoin stabilizes near $30,000, altcoins rise. Flow launches $725 million ecosystem fund to boost Web3 developments. KuCoin raises $150 million at $10 billion valuation. UK promises new laws to promote seize crypto. Spice VC launches $250 million blockchain fund. The US Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Gary Gansler suspects that crypto exchanges may be ignoring rules and betting against their own customers. Speaking in an interview with Bloomberg News, Gansler expressed his concerns over crypto exchanges' failure to put up proper walls between different parts of their businesses such as custody, market making, and offering a trading venue. Stressing on the fact that the commingling of services may not be in clients' best interest, Gansler revealed his apprehensions that crypto exchanges may be trading against their customers, often because they are market marking against their clients. Gansler reiterated his stance that most digital assets fall under his agency's purview and venues trading them should register with the regulator. The SEC also beefing up its enforcement efforts, he added. The securities regulator also pointed to the nexus of stablecoins and exchanges, saying the three of the biggest stablecoins being set up by exchanges wasn't a coincidence and was done to potentially avoid anti-money laundering and KYC norms. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen Tuesday pushed for regulation, saying that digital assets could present risk to the financial system and needed increased and coordinated regulatory attention. Underscoring the risk posed by stablecoins, Yellen pointed to the Terra USD experiencing a run and decline in value, saying that the incident illustrates this is a rapidly growing product and there are rapidly growing risks. She was speaking during an annual testimony in front of the Senate Banking Committee. In response to questions, Yellen said it would be highly appropriate for stablecoin regulation to occur by the end of 2022 because there are many risks associated with cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies traded mixed with the digital assets industry continue to feel the shock waves of wider geopolitical and economic turmoil. Bitcoin stabilizes near $30,000. Cryptos on Wednesday tracked the performance of US equity indices, which were mixed with the tech-heavy Nasdaq rising about a percentage point and the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling slightly. However, pressures from macroeconomic events, including inflation and a tightening of central bank monetary policy, continue to weigh on stocks and digital assets. Investors will be eyeing the April Consumer Price Index report, which is widely expected to show that inflation slowed but prices remained high. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at $30,800, little change in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded near $2,300, up 1% in the same time span. However, the ongoing run on Terra stable USD has caused its native coin Luna to plunge 55% in the past 24 hours to $14.93 recently. Flow, a high-performance blockchain, has announced a new ecosystem fund worth $725 million to hypercharge innovation or boost significant Web3 developments across the blockchain community. The announcement of the new fund is aimed to bolster innovation across the Flow community and to persuade developers around the globe to make engaging apps and games powering the Web3 ecosystem. In addition to this, the developers will also be able to leverage commercial spaces sponsored by the investor backing the fund in leading countries and regions. Flow, founded in 2019 by Dapper Labs, is a decentralized and developer-friendly blockchain. Roham is the CEO of Dapper Labs. Crypto exchange KuCoin has raised $150 million in pre-Series B funding at a valuation of $10 billion. The round, which was led by Jump Crypto, also saw participation from Circle Ventures, IDG Capital and Matrix Partners. KuCoin will use the funds to expand its product offerings, going beyond its current centralized trading services and increasing its presence in the broader Web3 market by building out crypto wallets as well as decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens platform through its investment arms like KuCoin Labs and KuCoin Ventures. Some of the funds will go towards the development of infrastructure and application on KCC, the public chain built by KuCoin's community members. The UK will introduce legislation this year to regulate the crypto industry and ensure the profits of ransomware can be seized by the authorities. One new law aims at supporting the safe adoption of cryptocurrencies, a government briefing published Tuesday alongside the speech said. A separate economic crime and corporate transparency bill will create powers to more quickly and easily seize and recover crypto assets, which are the principal medium used for ransomware. There will also be a civil forfeiture power for those who cannot be criminally prosecuted. Spice VC has announced a new $250 million blockchain-focused fund, 5 times larger than the firm's first fund and structured to appeal to institutional investors. The initial Spice One fund was a $50 million tokenized vehicle, meaning the fund's assets were turned into tokens to provide liquidity to investors that started raising money in 2017 when blockchain technology was generally used in financial verticals. The fund's portfolio included 3 companies that went public last year: digital security platform INX Limited, online lottery platform Lottery.com, and crypto exchange Backed. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching cryptoTV.